Hey, Hunter here from Unity Manufacturing. We're in my garage in Columbus, Ohio. I'm going to tell you about my clutch lockup plates, and I'm going to demonstrate how they work on my 1975 Shovelhead. These clutch lockup plates, they're made in Ohio out of stainless steel, and what these allow you to do is lock your clutch basket to your clutch hub, and then you can torque down your transmission main shaft nut and your pulley or sprocket nut. So what I have in my hands here is a clutch lockup tool for a stock Harley. This has the cutouts for the 6 ears on your basket and then the 10 fingers. As you can see, what I have here is a BDL clutch hub with a belt drive basket. There is not a tool out there that exists that allows you to lock your BDL or Pro clutch hub to a stock style basket with the 6 tabs. And so I was working on my bike and I needed something to do this, and that's why I started making them, because if I needed them, then someone else did too. So I'm going to show you how to use this here. You slide this clutch lockup plate in between your clutch hub and your basket, locks it down so it turns together, and then comes with the kit this stair step tool. This you put in between your pulley or your sprocket if you're running a chain drive. You can also put it back here on the basket side. And with this in place and the proper socket size, it allows you to torque everything down properly. This will not spin now. And you can torque it down, you can take it off by yourself, you can put it on by yourself, you can torque it to the proper specifications. And it works for the clutch and also your pulley or sprocket. So if you're like me and you're working on your bike in your garage by yourself and you're trying to get your primary all set up, you need one of these tools, stock style or BDL or Pro clutch. You can find these tools and the rest of the parts and tools that Unity Manufacturing makes at lowbrowcustoms.com. Thanks for watching.
U-N-I-T-Y, U-N-I-T-Y, that's a unity.